Dear children, next we are going to see exercise 4.2 question number 9. In the figure, angle QPR equal to 90 degree, PS is its bisector. If ST perpendicular to PR, prove that ST into PQ plus PR equal to PQ into PR. So, this triangle PQR is given and P is the bisector of angle P. So in the question it is given angle QPR equal to 90 degree, that is angle P equal to 90 degree. Also given ST is perpendicular to PR. So ST perpendicular to PR means this angle also 90 degree. So we have to prove ST into PQ plus PR equal to PQ into PR. So let us prove that, children. So in triangle PQR, it is given PS is the bisector of angle P. So since PS is the bisector of angle P, we can apply angle bisector theorem. Therefore, by angle bisector theorem, PQ by PR equal to QS by SR. So by angle bisector theorem, PQ by PR equal to QS by SR. So to prove this, we have to add 1 on both sides of this. So we are going to add 1 on both the sides. Adding 1 on both the sides. So this is PQ by PR plus 1 equal to QS by SR plus 1. That is, here the LCM is PR and in the numerator we have PQ plus cross multiply these two. So PQ plus PR. PQ plus PR by PR equal to, similarly here also we got QS plus, when we cross multiply, SR, and in the denominator we have SR. LCM is SR and in the numerator we have QS plus SR. So PQ plus PR by PR equal to QS plus SR by SR. Now see this, children. QS plus SR. QS plus SR. When we add these two, we got QR. So numerator of this one becomes QR. So PQ plus PR by PR equal to QS plus SR becomes QR. QR by SR. Let us take this as 1. Okay, children. Next we are going to consider these two triangles, the big triangle, triangle PQR, and the small triangle, triangle TSR. So in triangle PQR and triangle TSR. See here, children, in the question it is given angle QPR equal to 90 degree. That is, angle P is 90 degree. Also given ST is perpendicular to PR. Since ST is perpendicular to PR, this angle is 90 degree. So in triangle PQR and TSR, angle P equal to 90 degree and angle T equal to 90 degree. So angle P equal to angle T equal to 90 degree. It is given. Next, see here, children. In both the triangles, we have this angle R. In triangle PQR, we have this angle, and in triangle TSR also we have this angle. So, angle R is common to both the triangles. So, angle R is common. So, here these two angles are equal and this angle is common to both the triangles. Therefore, by AA similarity, by angle similarity, triangle PQR is similar to triangle TSR. So, since these two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, the corresponding sides are proportional. The corresponding sides are proportional. So, we can write PQ by TS equal to QR by SR. So, we can write PQ by TS equal to QR by QS. So, PQ by TS equal to QR by SR. Sorry children. QR by SR. So, let us take this as 2. PQ by TS equal to QR by SR. Now, we are going to compare 1 and 2. In 1, we have PQ plus PR by PR equal to QR by SR. And in 2, we have PQ by ST equal to QR by SR. So, from 1 and 2, one implies PQ plus PR by PR equal to, so in the place of QR by SR, we are going to write PQ by ST. So this is equal to PQ by ST. So PQ plus PR by PR equal to PQ by ST. Now cross multiply these two. When we cross multiply these two, it becomes ST into PQ plus PR equal to PQ into PR. ST into PQ plus PR equal to PQ into PR. So this is what we want to prove. See here children, prove that ST into PQ plus PR equal to PQ into PR. So we have proved the given one. Hence proved. Okay children.